Hello, today I have the privilege of treating former NFL running back Jordan Scarlett. What we're going to do today, we're going to do chiropractic adjustment. We're going to do some soft tissue mobilization to help with some old chronic injuries. Jordan, you played for University of Florida too, right?
Yes, I did. Yes,
awesome, man. Great. A little bit of tightness up here. Man, your shoulders are huge. Your muscles have muscles. All right, I'm gonna have you face down. So, what was your best game?
Say game I like personally was probably when I played against 49ers. I got to get a lot of time playing at running back, so I would say that was my best game in the NFL. As far as college goes, I think my best game was LSU 2018 year.
Nice.
Yeah.
And who do you think were the best linebackers in the NFL? Hardest to run against?
I would say I had a tough time in practice alone. I know it sounds kind of crazy, but I used to battle against Luke Kuechly a lot. Obviously, a lot of people know he's a Hall of Fame linebacker, very intelligent guy, and I feel like he was just always in the right place at the right time because he had so much knowledge of football.
Yeah. You know, football is such a tough sport. Even people on the sideline get hurt.
Right?
It's crazy. I mean, last year, Alvin Kamara, he ran out in the sidelines and he hit an official. I think he broke his leg.
Yeah.
It's crazy. Have you ever ran into an official?
No, I haven't actually, but shoot, I'm sure some of them deserve it.
Yeah. All right, we're going to just adjust this right here. Awesome. Cool. All right. We're going to adjust that mid-back like this. All right. And come this way. Awesome. That had to go. Face me this way, please.
Like on my side?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, so bring this leg here like that. Bring this here like this. There we go.
Oh,
all right.
yeah.
Awesome. Awesome. Any advice for any kids that are in high school that want to be running backs?
I would say being an all-down back was in being able to catch out the backfield, also run the ball, and also being able to stay in on third down the block. So just trying to be an all-around running back. If that's what you're going to choose to be.
Cool.
Not just be so one-dimensional.
Right. Face me this way. Good. We can stretch out a little bit this way. Don't forget to practice, right?
Right. Oh, yeah, all the time.
All right. Let's have you face down again on your stomach. All right. Cool. Awesome. Very good. All right. So you can come on up. Is bring your head backward slightly and then bring your head down like that. Good. And up. Good. And back down. Good. And up. Good. And down. Good. Great. All right. And now I'm going to have you move your head to the side. Good. And back. And that way. Good. And that way. Good. All right. I'm going to even you out. All right. Okay, bring your head back. Good. And then down. Good. And back up. And down. Good. And up. And down. Good. Okay. I'm going to have you relax your arm and bring it across. Good. Cross. Good. Cross. Good. All right. And then bring your head to the side. Good. This way, back again. And out. this way again. And back, good. And back, good. Back, good. Good. All right. Just gonna feel that. Good. Back. Down. Doing some active release. All right. You ever have any elbow injuries?
No. Luckily.
Good. Okay. So I'm gonna have you bring your arm like this, and then down, like that. This is great for people that have tennis elbow, also
Yeah.
known as lateral epicondylitis.
I'm sure some baseball players got this too. Yeah.
Good. All right, we're gonna do a little bit on the wrist here. Good. Have you bring your hand up and then down. And open up the fingers. Good. And down. And down. Good. All right. That would be really good for any type of wrist adhesions, chronic injuries where there's limited mobility, both in the wrist area and then what we did before in the elbow area for tennis elbow, lateral epicondylitis, things like that. All right, Jordan. It's been
Thank
great
you, my
treating
guy.
you, and have a great one. Thanks for coming on.
Feel great. Thank you guys a lot.